today, let's talk about this cutie. So this is a tiny box, so maybe you have any clue about the item inside. It's a box from Longchamp. So let's go directly to the point, and during the unboxing I will explain you why I choose the item. So let's start. Okay. Oh, it's a bit difficult. So, okay. So you'll recognize the Longchamp tag, and inside we have you all recognize the Foulonné coin purse from Longchamp in the amazing saffron color. Oh my god, look at this amazing color. It's really cute. It's really cute. For those who have already some Longchamp item in Foulonné, saffron is lighter than paprika, which is an old color in the orange tones, and it's different from gold. You will see. I will show you in a few minutes, and so here it is in all her glory. Oh, how cute it is. Because, well, if you follow me and you follow my channel, you will see I love Foulonné leather. So great quality and scratchable and really durable. I do not own any saffron item, and when I saw this cutie in the boutique, because I finally went to the boutique, Longchamp boutique, I fell in love. I fell in love, and these compos, like the others in nylon, are super practical. And yes, I could not resist, because saffron is such a vibrant color. I already have most of the bags in several colors from the Foulonné range. I did not feel myself adding a bag in this color, but cute SLG, oh my god, I could not pass on it. So this item retail in euro for 70 euro, and in American dollar, $90. Of course, it's a price, but seriously, guys, the quality is there, and you can keep this item for years. It's not a joke. I will show you the previous item I got from this collection, and they are still in pristine condition, and I use them every time. I will write the dimension, but as you can see, it's not rectangular. It's like a half moon style. You've got a zip closure. Okay, let's open it. Okay. They put tissue to keep the form. Inside, you have one compartment, and look at this gorgeous ribbon jacquard in the amazing saffron color. So one main compartment, which is really roomy. You will see after. I will show you what can fit inside. It's great. You've got a D-ring on the side, because some of the Longchamp Foulonné and other Longchamp line bags got a chain with a hook to maintain the coin purse, or even the Foulonné pouches and other pouches from Longchamp, and it's super practical. And you've got two pieces of leather for the style here, and yes. So on the front you can see the brand name Longchamp, and behind you can see the horse which is stamped on the leather. It's not stamped but you can see it's in 3Ds, you can feel it, and really cute, really cute. Just to show you, okay, I also got the red, but it's maybe in one of my bags. But so far I got a blue sapphire one, which is an amazing blue, and I've got my very first one, which was this purple. I've got the matching bags, and I'm crazy about this color. I wish they made it again also, and I wish they would have done the lilac and the cypress one, but that's life. Look at it. And the difference, because there's difference of course every time, the D-ring, look, which it's really a D-ring form. Here on the previous collection, it's more a rectangular form, you see? The color of hardware also. Now they are all in gold hardware, and the previous line, it was in silver hardware. Concerning the zip closure, as you can see, here it's gold, and then you've got the color of the item, which is here saffron. On the previous collection, it was kind of plastic here, but all the zip was in the color of the item. So here it's in purple, and here it's completely in blue sapphire. Bleu saphir in French, blue sapphire. Then the tag here is still the same. You see this rectangular with the name of a brand. And the last thing, in fact, it's the same as the Foulonné pouch. You already have the name, but behind you have just the leather, and now you got the horse, the Longchamp horse, you see? Other than that, it's the same shape. It's not bigger, it's only the stuff with, it's brand new, so it's stuff, and it's got, mine was in my closet, and you can see it was like this. So, but they are the same size, they really have the same size. Look, with the blue sapphire, you see, they all have the same size. This one is the brand new, so, but when I will use it, it will be like this after. And so look how gorgeous it is. Oh my God, I really love the Foulonné SLGs. They are really nice. And so why I use it, I already give you the answer. I love to collect Foulonné colors, and I didn't have any saffron item, and I love the color. So I go for it. I would have maybe bought the Foulonné pouch because I love it so much. But I already bought it in lilac, in cypress. I've got a bunch of them. Please see my others video about it. This time I will maybe buy it when it will go on sale, because I cannot buy everything at full price. So, but this one I could not pass on it. And I wanted a bright color. As you can see, it's a bright color, and I think it's good to have a bright color in your bags. How it matches. So this is the autumnal color, but you can wear it all year. Cypress and saffron, and off. It's really cute. It's really, really cute. I love it. This is a coin purse, so of course you can use it for your coins, but what I love is with this one is that you can fit a bunch of other things. So I will show you now exactly what you can fit in this purse. Okay, so I think it was more easier like this to show you exactly what can fit and how you can use this Foulonné leather coin purse other than putting your coins inside, because the shape of this coin purse enables you to do many other things. So guys, you can also use this as a little pouch for your item. So if you want to carry some medical item, you can fit lipstick. This is for my nose, and of course, look, I can fit 1 or 2 more lipstick without problem. This is really great. Just to show you, this one, I also put my tiny jewelry. Look, I also put some jewelry. I've got some ring, I've got some hair here. You can also fit a bunch of jewelry. And at least you can use this coin purse to hold your keys. And look, I've got a big keys and it fits perfectly. And you can put it in your bag easily. You can also, I got the idea, I tried and I love it. If you have this type of O-ring, this is a bigger one, I got smaller one, and I show you, and I think if you don't want to use it as a coin purse or so, you can also use this item as a bag charm. Yes, guys, I think it's cute, and you see the color, this is gold color, this is saffron. Oh my god, this is so fall vibes. I love it, and I think it's really cute as a bag charm, and it's maybe crazy, but you know, craziness is sometimes good, even. I love it. Yes, I think I will also use it as a charm, and why not? The earring, you can find it on Amazon, and with no problem you can find other colors. This one is in gold to match with my coin purse, and but you have in silver, in gunmetal. How cute it is! I love it. Of course, I can also try it on my other Foulonné crossbody bag, and it's even cuter because this is already gold hardware, because this one is in silver hardware, but it's okay also to match the color. Look. Yeah, I think it's really funny. If you want just to put your car keys and to grab it faster, or you can put your lipstick, and yes, I love the style. I really find it really super cute and super funny. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you have comments about the color, the Foulonné line, or other question about this coin purse, do not hesitate to write in the section below. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It's free, so let's go. And if you are a Longchamp addict like me, or bag addict, because we all love all the bags, join the community. Thanks for watching, have a great day, stay tuned because I've got many surprises for you in the coming video. Bisous, merci d'avoir regardé et à très bientôt. Bye bye. Really cute. I love it.